resisted for quite some time the notion that he is racist. It's more a function of his narcissism than anything else. It's not really racism. That was sort of the way I viewed Trump, that he doesn't like them because they oppose him. And that's really what it's about. It's all a function of his narcissism. And when he kind of says things that were supportive of some of those bad people at Charlottesville, that's again a function of his narcissism, because the people who were attacking those people were attacking him.
You had a group on one side that was bad, and you had a group on the other side that was also very violent. But you also had people that were very fine people on both sides. You had people in that group, excuse me, I saw the same pictures as you did.
Russia is our friend. The South will rise again.
You had people in that group that were there to protest the taking down of statue Robert E. Lee. To them, a very, very important statue.
Will not replace us.
My mother came from the Philippines. She came to the United States in the late 1950s. So I'm half Filipino, and the other half is some mixture of Irish, Scottish. You know, I'm a classic American mutt. I think of myself as an American, and I just assume people aren't racist. And I tend to forget that, well, some people are. And that's sort of the lesson with Trump, is I just gave him the benefit of the doubt.
These are people that if they don't like it here, they can leave.
But what he said about those members of Congress, it brought back that memory of the one time I really remember, wow, there really are people like that here. I was with my mother when I was a teenager in a parking lot in Massachusetts, when somebody said to her, "Go back to your country." Sorry. And I found that to be, and it came home to me then. This man is a racist. He is evil.
The Democrat Party is now being led by 4 left-wing extremists who reject everything that we hold dear.
He's a racist, beyond any question.